Page 47, Minuet for Bach. And yes, you do pronounce the H. It's not Bach, it's Bach. Oh, he's German, so that's the way it's done. Very famous composer. You can Google him, read all about him. He's wasn't that well known in his lifetime, although he was known. But he was well known, 100 a year more later. His music was discovered by some prominent people, and they thought, oh, this is fantastic. Yeah. Some of his kids got to be well known and got to be considered to be experts in the field of music. Yeah. So let's see, a minuet for Bach. A minuet is a type of music. We have a lot of different kinds of music because you can have preludes and waltzes and minuets, what else? Scherzos and nocturnes and sonatas and whatever. All kinds of different kinds of music. Yeah. So a minuet is similar to a waltz. It's in 3/4 time and it's sort of like a waltz, sort of a fancy waltz. You're not going to be able to tell the difference. It's just going to sound like a waltz here. So it's not a minuet by Bach. It's a minuet for Bach. Okay, I don't care. Now in the upper right-hand corner, they have the sight reading things. You can play through those on your own. That's fine. Keep in mind, there's no time signatures. They're all whole notes. All you're doing is just playing the notes. Use the fingering they're telling you and play the notes because you're moving your hand around there. That's fine. You don't practice those. You just play them. That's sight reading. I want to talk about this minuet thingy here. Let's look it over. It's 1 line long. The clef signs are still treble and bass clef. This is in 3/4 time. Well, it's a minuet. You would expect it to be in 3/4 time. I see a bunch of half notes and quarter notes, and it looks like it's all for the left hand. And it's repeated. We're going to play it twice. Okay. You're starting out with the thumb on G here, and that puts your hand in that position. And you'll notice the notes are just going down or up by steps. Yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now I want to talk about this. Measure 5 and 6 and all. These fingers, these are the awkward fingers. We're built that way. It's just the way it is. And there have been a lot of attempts in the past by a whole lot of people over the centuries to find a way to make them less awkward. No. They're awkward, and they're going to be awkward. We work with them. The more you work with them, the better they feel, but still they're going to be awkward. I use weight. I'm just passing weight. It's like walking down the street when you pass weight from one foot to the other. There. I'm passing weight from one finger to the other. So in measure 5, the weight's on the here, and I'm just going to pass the weight here, and then here, then up. Just kind of rolling it down here. I'm just passing the weight. And the motion is very little. A lot of times you can't even tell, but it is the weight. I'm not holding the hand still and trying to use the fingers. I really don't recommend it. It just pass the weight. Pass the weight down and up and down until you get that feeling of doing that. And just do it in the right hand too. Yeah. If you're going to do the hands together here, it's easier if you mirror the hands. So it's like you use little fingers first and here. And just roll the weight from finger to finger. And that's what we're doing here. On that. I'm doing it on the first ones too. I'm rolling weight here too, but I wanted to talk about the awkward fingers. Anyway, I got distracted. Let's get back to this thing here. Once I got the notes and the rhythms okay. Now keep in mind you're only counting it to get the rhythm. Once you have the rhythm, you don't count it anymore. Once you know what the notes are, you don't have to say the names anymore. You're just reading the music and you're feeling the music. Soft at the beginning, P for piano. So, and then loud at measure 5, the F is forte, loud. So whatever you think soft is, light, very little weight. And then heavy, very lot of weight. Here, okay. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let the wrist collapse a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Feel that. Then the speed, thoughtfully. Oh, isn't that helpful? Thoughtfully. Play thoughtfully, and good luck. Well, how fast is thoughtfully? It's a minuet. Think of a waltz. 1, 2, 3. Just a nice gentle waltz. Just a nice gentle waltz, whatever. Don't copy me, please. You don't have to go that speed. You don't have to do that louds and softs like I did. You think about it. Get into it. Picture people dancing to this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, as you're going through. You dance in your head. Don't be dancing where you're making a lot of movements because that's distracting. Just dance in your head. Let it go. Now, toward the bottom, they have a closer look. They say, circle each landmark note in this minuet. Remember what the landmark notes are. Let's review them. Middle C's the first one. And then there's one for each clef sign. So we have a G clef. We're not using that right now. And we have an F clef. Okay. And then the other C clef here, or C down this one. So these right now are the landmark notes. And the only ones we're using in this piece are F and C. So you're going to circle those. Okay. Now, once you have it learned, let's play it together slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs, but we will repeat it. And I want to explain, I keep meaning to and I forget. When we get to the end of these play with me's and so forth, I say off. That means lift up, you're done. You see, normally you just count it. 1, 2, 3, 1, and the beat just keeps going. The problem we have is that when you get to the end, there's no beat. It stops. I can't go 1, 2, 3. There's no 1. We're done. So I say off instead. Because if I don't say it, you'll only hold that last note down for 2 counts. You go 1, 2, and I'm done. You go 1, 2, and you'll lift up. Well, that's only 2 counts. You got to hold it for 3 full counts, and a count lasts a certain amount of time, and then the next count starts. So you make sure the last note lasts the full 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, off. Otherwise, it would be 1, 2, 3, 1. I could lift up on 1, but there's no 1, so I say off, and that's why. It's important to hold those out the length you're supposed to. Anyway, I'll give us 3 counts. I keep getting sidetracked. 1, ready, go. 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that, and you play what you just played. You play it right where it is fine. We're going to speed it up a little closer to what a minuet might go to. 1, 2, 3, somewhere in there, and I'll give us 3 counts. We are going to do louds and softs here. So the first half of this is soft and the last half is loud. Yeah. 1, ready, go.